I'll be showing you how to stop WhatsApp from downloading and saving photos you look at on the platform directly to your gallery. So the default setting is when you go to WhatsApp and there's a photo in a chat, you go to the photo, look at it. When you go to your gallery, you'll find that photo there downloaded into your gallery. So to stop that, go to WhatsApp. So go to WhatsApp and then tap on the three dot button in the top right corner and select settings. Under settings, go to chats, tap on that, and then you should see this option called media visibility. It says show newly downloaded media in your device's gallery. So you want to disable that. And from now on, you can look at photos on WhatsApp and they'll not be automatically downloaded to your gallery. I have an example here. So here's a photo sent to me. I'll look at the photo and then exit out of WhatsApp, and that photo will not be in my gallery. So you can see it's nowhere inside my gallery. And that's basically how to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading photos to your gallery. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.